Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. So I'm really excited about today's post, which are these Kota collections, which are one of our best sellers, and we've been having in our collections over the years now. And the last time I posted, I know that many of you did miss out on getting your piece booked, and many of you did get back to me asking for a restock of these. I know they've come back after quite a while, but here again I have them in my stock. Now again I have a few limited pieces, so I'm extremely sorry because the last time many of you had told me, like, when I get them, they wanted me to contact them, but unfortunately I have lost track of who those people were. So it will be really great if you can contact me on WhatsApp. So here you go. As you can see, the colors are absolutely pastel summery, beautiful subtle tones in a light orange, a beautiful orange shade, in a beautiful light sea green shade, in a pink shade, a beautiful light pink shade, and a lovely yellow color. So the whole set is very simple. It's a plain kota top and a kota dupatta with thread work, as you can see, and a completely thread work dupatta with these crochet lace. There is no bottom for this particular suit because any white bottom can be paired up with all the four colors, or if you also prefer to wear self color, also you can go with it. So this set comes without bottom, as earlier. Even the earlier post didn't have the bottoms. So I'm going to open out one set for you guys, okay? As you can see, and I will be posting the picture separately so you can get a better view of the color. Now these are the top. Again, this is a plain kota top. As you can see, you will need lining for this. It's a kota doria top. It will need lining. Now this is currently starched, so when you do a wash, it might become soft, so you will have to use a stiff and shine. If you prefer it more stiff and beautiful, you can use a stiff and shine, or else just leave it like that. You can do a hand wash because a simple hand wash can also be done. Now this is the dupatta, which is completely thread work. The whole dupatta is thread worked, and that's the best part of this suit and what I like the most. And you really don't have to do anything on your top. You can just leave it plain, and then the dupatta will give you the right look that you want, and you can team it up with some strings of pearls. I think that's the best choice for these suit sets. Pearls are going to be really beautiful for these sets, and you can just carry yourself elegantly for any occasion or any kind of functions that you want to use them, even for your casual use also. These are really good sets. Now these are like one of my most favorite collections in kota. And so this is a light sea green, this is a beautiful orange. I'm not opening them out because it's exactly the same, just as the colors change. It's a beautiful light orange, a lovely orange shade. Okay, so here you go. These are the four colors. I will be posting the picture separately, and you guys can get back to me on WhatsApp. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So take care guys, and stay safe. Bye bye.